You look spooked. You've been seeing what the Protoss has to show ya. The memories shine through you as clear as day.
I saw a hybrid. Something unnatural. It was trying to corrupt the Protoss preservers. Who would have sent it there? Who controls something like that?
The one that made them for sure. That was just the first of many. Dark harbingers, man. Soon they'll be beyond numbering. And the stars will weep at what comes after.
How could you know all this?
I don't. I just feel it be true.
Level 800, Elite Tauren Chieftain is back with a new album, pulse-pounding rock that will shake the galaxy. Rock out with such hits as Rogues Do It From Behind, Terran Up the Night, Another Hydralisk Bites the Dust, Saturday Night's Alright for Nuking, Lucy in the Sky with Mutus, Every Rose Has Its Thor, Touring in Your Galaxy, no! Rock and roll!
What's up, cowboy? You know, you're looking kind of rough lately. Rougher than usual, I mean.
I've, got a lot going on right now, Swan. You know how it is.
Yeah, sure. You know, you might want to try laying off the sauce and getting some shut-eye once in a while, huh?
Thanks, Mom. I'll get right on that.
Welcome back, sir. What did you discover from the crystal this time?
It's that obvious I used it, huh? Zeratul took the prophecy fragments he found to a temple, library. Kind of both, I guess. But this weird Protoss-Zerg hybrid had taken over the place.
You mean some sort of infested Protoss?
No, this wasn't like infestation at all. It was like someone took the strengths of both races and twisted them together. I gotta tell you, if these things are real, we're in a lot of trouble.
I return to our ruined homeworld of Ire. The Zerg infestation still covered much of our beloved world. The desiccated remains of the Overmind were still there. A grim reminder of battles lost and battles won.
I remember the fall of Ire. Don't much like the idea of having to see it all again. Guess there's nothing for it.
At the very apex of its victory against us, the Zerg Overmind grew overconfident. Now, all that was left of the mighty Overmind was a twisted, withered husk. I needed to understand whatever memories lingered within the creature's rotting mass. Only by making contact with the gargantuan tendrils connected directly to its cortex could I learn its secrets. Yet its countless minions, which seemed to be feeding from its dead husk, would prove somewhat problematic. I must find a way to establish a foothold and summon reinforcements to keep the Zerg at bay. This faithful observer has kept watch since the evacuation. Its abilities will certainly prove useful now. I will erase the demons of the past.
Arun Naladan!
We must not hesitate. Some of these abandoned structures remain functional. We shall make use of them. This ancient beacon still thrums with power. I wonder... I've heard tales of the mighty colossi sealed away beneath Ire. The beacon must have awoken these fearsome guardians. The Zerg perceive a threat to their dead master. Shozak Maknul.
You must...
The Zerg will keep coming until we are dead. I must find the Overmind's cortex and discover what I can from it. If we use our observers wisely, we can scout the area before putting ourselves at risk. The scales... Shozak Maknul. These warp gates appear to be functional. Perhaps there's a chance. We must be prepared to defend our base. The Zerg are on the move. Address me. I will be redeemed. Shozak Maknul. En Arudin Rashagal.
You have not enough minerals. My life for Ire!
You address me? En Arudin Rashagal. My allegiance is yours. Honor commands. We must not hesitate. Sukdash Salak. In the service of Ire. En Arudi Rashagal. I will fulfill my calling. My allegiance is yours.
My life for hire.
I am here in the shadows. The Zerg seek to overwhelm us. To arms, my brethren. Shozak Maknul.
You must construct additional pylons.
Fulfill my calling. Honor command. Sukdash Salok. I am here in the shadow. The first Overmind tendril. I sense pain, surprise, death.
Upgrade complete. You have not enough minerals. We were trapped within the gate's energy matrix when it was deactivated. You have our thanks.
Very well.
You have not enough minerals. You have not enough minerals.
The Zerg seek to overwhelm our base. I am here in the shadows.
My life for hire. Upgrade complete. Base is under attack.
We embrace the glory of battle.
My life for hire.
I am here in the shadows.
I am the voice of the Eclipse.
My allegiance is yours.
I am here in the shadows.
You have not enough mineral. Mineral field depleted.
My life for iron!
I will be redeemed. I will erase the demons of the past.
Upgrade complete.
In the service of we must not hesitate. En Albion, Russia. En Albion. Honor commands. Ire will be restored. I will fulfill my calling. We must not hesitate. The Zerg are coming. Shozak Maknul.
Upgrade complete.
I am here.
My life for iron! My life for iron!
Shozak Maknul. I will.
We embrace the my life for iron!
Mineral field depleted.
Cold is the void. For you require my skills. Intriguing. I am the heart of darkness.
Shozak Maknul. I will erase the demons of the past. Honor. second Overmind tendril, I sense death and joy. Our base falls under a shadow. The Zerg will attack soon.
I'm here in the shadows.
My life for Iron. Upgrade complete. Base mineral
Shozak Maknul,
mineral field depleted.
honor command. Glory.
Mineral field depleted.
The third Overmind tendril, I sense satisfaction in a plan set in motion long ago, and fear of the future.
I'm here.
My life for Iron.
I will be redeemed. You address me. Sukdash Salak. Shozak Maknul.
Upgrade complete.
Lord, the Zerg are massing near our base. Shozak Maknul. The fourth Overmind tendril. I sense an end. I must go to the Overmind cortex to understand.
Greetings, brother. I speak to you from the beyond.
Tacitar. But you died, slaying this cursed Overmind.
I have never tasted death, Zeratul, nor shall I. But that is a tale for another time. I have come to tell you of this creature's courage.
Courage? It was an abomination.
Not always. The Zerg were altered. A single overriding purpose was forced upon them. The destruction of our people. The Overmind was formed with thought and reason, but not free will. It screamed and raged within the prison of its own mind.
Who did
I know not. But the Overmind found a way to resist its all-consuming directive. It created a chance, a hope of salvation. The Queen of Blades.
Madness.
Only she can free the Zerg from slavery, and in so doing, save all that is from the flame.
I do not understand, brother.
Forget what you know, Zeratul. The Overmind saw a vision. The end of all things. And now, you must